Now let's see how the sample will help us to visualize our future home. As you can see, that every product there's a name, right? Every sample there's a name, and then apart from that, every sample it have a very unique name, which is the code, right? And then from every sample you can see the details of this sample, where you can see the core actually is the material, MDF, which is medium density board, surface, powder coating, ENF grade, right, which is the how friendly to the environment, and also the available sizing. So you can see different type. They have different types. This is the leather type. You can see this is the leather type as well, and also the color code. And you see the code is for this product is 8005. So actually the 8005 has been the material type, and this product sample has been built into the 3D rendering system. And then once you choose this, so we will using this code to actually build and simulate your future house. So that's why it is already very close to the reality.